Dumpy, Waffles, it's open. Oh my gosh. Guys, come on. Gotta be smarter than the gates, bud. Waffles is not worried about it. Okay. Hello. You two look like twins. Dumpling is not worried about this baby. But this baby has bonded to him. Out of Dumpling and Waffles, you gonna pick Dumpling? That's who you want to be like? You can be bad like him? Great. Don't you even think about it, little man. You are observing. You are not swimming with him. Waffles. These two like each other. Probably because they look just alike.